Hi and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how to change the name on your LG Smart TV. Changing the name changes the name that's advertised on Bluetooth and will help you readily identify your device. So to do this, we start by pressing the settings button. Then we go down the list to all settings. From here we go to general, then across and down to devices. We select TV management, then down to TV information. Next we have device name selected, select it. And here we can see the current TV name. Now you can use the backspace to delete what is currently there and enter a new name. If you would like to use all capitals, just double click the shift button twice. I'll select TV. Now I've completed that, I'll press enter, and as you can see the TV name has been changed and any Bluetooth device will locate this TV with the name TV. So I hope you found this useful, and if you have, really appreciate if you can give it a quick thumbs up because it helps the channel out so much. Thanks very much for choosing my video and I wish you a fantastic day ahead.